morning students, we are continuing lesson number 6 formatting in Excel 2013. Children, last time we studied about the formatting. Formatting means making changes in the appearance of worksheet. In this we can change the fill color, we can change fonts, we can change alignments, we can change column width, we can also change row height and apply the conditional formatting. To change the font or font size, we will use font button and font size button that is available on the font group of home tab. Formatting data. In Excel, cell contains different types of data like numbers, roll number, marks, price. These all are number data. Currency data means currency sign is coming with the numbers. Text data means alphabets and numbers are coming together like address, house number is coming, email address, employee code, branch code. Date data type means that is a date. And we can format the cell data in Excel using the number group. On number group there is a type box. With the help of type box, we can change the data type of specific cell value. हम किसी भी cell value का data type change कर सकते हैं. When we click on a down arrow of type box, it shows various data types and formats. We can also use number format dialog box launcher. This launcher is located right side of the number group. When we click on number format dialog box launcher, children, it shows format cells dialog box. It provides various formatting options and we use number tab to format the cell data. First data type is general. When we click on a general data type, it has no specific formats. It is a default cell format. Second, number data type. Children, if we want to format the number data, we use this option. When we click on a number data in the category right side, it provides us changing of decimal places, use of thousand separator and also provide the ways to present the negative number. जब हम नंबर डेटा टाइप पे क्लिक करते हैं तो हमें 3 ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड होते हैं फॉर्मेटिंग के लिए. डेसिमल प्लेसेस चेंज कर सकते हैं नंबर का, थाउजेंड सेपरेटर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इट मीन्स इट यूज़ कॉमा, and we can also change the way negative number display. Now see, as you can see, we are presenting salary and we have used 3 decimal places and thousand separator. Now in the second picture you can see that in place of 12,000.45 it is coming 12,000.450 because we have set 3 decimal places and we have used thousand separator. So this way we can format number data. We can also use increase and decrease decimal button. We can just set the number of digits that comes after the decimal point. As you can see, we want to apply the formatting on a total marks. So first we will select the total marks and now we will use the decrease decimal button. You will see that now there is only one digit is coming after the decimal point in total marks column. Currency data type. If we have a currency data in a cell, then we will choose the currency category. Children, currency data type is used to show the monetary value. Now, in this category, we can use decimal places. We can also change the symbol and also we can set how the negative numbers will come in currency data type. Children, we can change the symbol of currency like we have just used English United Kingdom's currency symbol. We have also set the two decimal places. And now the salary is coming with the English United Kingdom's currency symbol. As you can see, in currency data type, symbol and values are not separated, and also they are left aligned. Next is accounting data type. Children, accounting data type is used for accounting purpose, where we have to do the lots of calculations with the values. It is also similar to currency data type, because in accounting data type currency symbol comes, but in this data type currency symbol comes as a separator. In this category we can just change the decimal places, and also we can change the currency symbol. Now see, in this we have applied two decimal places, and also we have selected the English United Kingdom's currency symbol. As you can see, in this currency symbol is left aligned and values are right aligned. We can also use accounting number format button. Now we will understand the difference between the currency and accounting data type. Children, currency data type allowed all types of alignments. Currency data can be arranged left, right and center alignment. In accounting format is always right aligned. So the decimal point is coming at the same places, because we need calculations. Second, currency symbol is immediately comes with the numbers. But in accounting, currency symbol is separated from the number and left aligned. Currency symbol left aligned होता है accounting data type में. In currency format, 0 displays as a $0.00. But in accounting data type, for 0 amount it display dash. So this is the basic difference between the currency and accounting data type. Now if we have a date in any cell, we can do the formatting, like we can change the dates format. Now see, as you can see in the first picture, we have written the date of joining as a DDMMYYY, and we have formatted the date. Now date is coming as a 12 January 16. So this way we can format the dates in Excel sheet. Time data. To change the time format, we use time in number category, and also we can change the format in that the time is displaying. Percentage format. To apply the percentage format, we just click on the percentage in number tab, and also in that we can change the decimal places, that how many digits will come after the decimal point. Children, when we apply the percentage format, percentage sign is coming. Also, as we want, we can change the decimal places. Fraction format. Fraction format displays the cell value as a fraction. We can change its format using the fraction category. See, in the first picture we have written 24.4 as an average, and in the another picture we have used a fraction data type. Scientific format. This is used to display the cell value as an exponential form, and in that various options are available, we can use them. Text data type. As I told you, the cell contains alphabets and numbers, and this type of data known as a text data type. On text data, we cannot perform any mathematical calculations. We have just presented the address, that is coming as a text data. Thank you.